I'm Claire.
And I'm Ellie, and today we're going to be doing some Easter experiments.
So our next experiment requires a hard-boiled egg. So you need to boil your egg, and then we're going to show you a little test first of how you can tell if it's hard-boiled or not.
So what you need to do is just put your eggs down on the table, spin them, then stop them with one finger, take your finger off and see what happens.
Okay, so mine's carried on spinning, so that means it's not hard-boiled. So in the hard-boiled egg, all of the insides of the egg is attached to the outside. So when you stop it spinning, you stop it all spinning. But with the egg that's not hard-boiled, the inside's still a yolk, so it's still kind of separated. So the yolk continues spinning when you stop it. So when you let go, the yolk's still spinning, so it gives the egg momentum to carry on.
So for this experiment, you're going to need a glass bottle, some matches, and your hard-boiled egg. So what we've done already is we've peeled our hard-boiled egg. And if I put it kind of next to this bottle, it doesn't look like it's going to fit in the bottle, but with this experiment we're going to make it fit inside our bottle.
So we're going to light a match, drop it inside the bottle, and then after a second put the egg on top to seal it tight. Okay, are we ready? Yeah. Okay.
Get in and say it worked.
Hopefully what should have happened if you had a slightly wider neck bottle than ours is that the match heats up all the air inside the bottle and the egg seals in that air so it can't escape. But as the air cools down, it takes up less space, so it decreases the pressure inside the bottle and should suck the egg in. So our egg has slightly been sucked in, a little bit, but not quite pulled all the way in. Okay, so next we're going to make a naked bouncy egg. So for this we'll just need vinegar, an egg obviously, and some sort of beaker or container that you can see through.
So what you need to do, this one will be an overnight experiment. You need to pop your egg in your container and then cover it completely in vinegar. So what's going to happen overnight is the vinegar is going to dissolve the shell of the egg. And this is because the shell of the egg is made of calcium carbonate and it reacts with the acid in vinegar to dissolve it. But also when it's happening, you might see some bubbles forming, and that's because carbon dioxide is produced in this reaction. So for this experiment, we're using 2 rubber eggs and we've attached them using just normal elastic. And what we're going to do is we're going to drop them with one below the other. But which one do you think will touch the floor first? The top one or the bottom one? So let's have a go. So you probably thought the bottom one was going to touch it first, but in actual fact they both touched at the same time.
This is because everything falls with the same gravitational acceleration. So if you drop them at the same point, like from the same height, they hit the table at the same time, as you would expect. But when we have them like this, you might think the bottom one would hit first, but because of the elastic and the force of the elastic pulling the top one down, they hit at the same time because the elastic adds an extra bit of acceleration to the top egg. So it pulls it down so they hit at the same time.